Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add link to Instagram threads profile. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you're gonna need to open up the threads application on your Android and iOS. And after opening up the threads application, you're gonna need to go into your threads profile, and here you can see that we have our thread profile here. Okay, so to add the link you need to tap on this edit profile option, and then here you can see that we have this link option here. Okay, so if you have a link to your another social platform, or if you have your own website or anything else, you can add their link here. Okay, so you will just need to tap on this link here, and then you can basically add your link. So I will just enter this link here like this one, google.com, and tap on OK and tap on done. And now you can see that this link is appears here on the top. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.